So when you go to the Getactive app, you see this interface. On the top, you can see different options here. As of now, we are on the steps option. You can see the steps covered on Wednesday, 26 July. You can see every hour how many steps I walked. Now you can go to the calories. You can see the calories that you have burned today. Number 3 is the distance. You can see the distance that I've covered. You can also track your sleep. So there is a sleep indicator also. If I'm wearing the band regularly in the night also, you can see the sleep dashboard also here. This bell on the top shows you the notification. So when you click on that, you can see whatever badges that you've got. Everything comes on these notifications. Going back, this is the menu button. When you go on the menu, you can see the profile of the user. So the first thing that you can see the details about the user. You can see the badges, these badges throughout my use of the Getactive app. I've walked 15 kilometers, 1.5 million steps in similarly different badges. The device configuration, you see this is a click band that I'm using, how much it is charged. I can set an alarm here, a sedentary alarm. I can set a silent alarm for myself, these two options. I can set call notifications, power saver mode, and the time format can be set here. I go back and I click on the buddies, so I can set buddies who I want to walk with. I can throw some challenges to my buddies here. Also, there is a notification option. If you put this notification option on, your phone will get a notification like this on the top all the time. Whenever there is a badge, you get a notification. Whenever the battery drains, you get a notification. You can also see more options here. One is the activity, the steps and the distance and all that I covered. If you go on the events section, you will see a groupathon happening here and a step count which is about to start. When you click on, see the groupathon started on 25th July and it's going to end on the 31st of July, ending on the 31st of July. My team is Me Walkers and we are currently coming third in this groupathon competition. You can see the distance covered by my team is 5.4 kilometers. My team members are Stevie and myself, and the distance and the steps covered are also very nicely given here. If you want to enlarge, you can actually go and see where exactly my team is on the Google map. We are somewhere near sector 127, so this is a very interesting feature. You can actually get a feel of the entire groupathon on a Google map where my team stands. Also, there is a leaderboard next to the map where you can see the standing of your team. Where does your team stand in terms of the competition? So my team is coming third, Me Walkers, and there are other teams ahead of me and one team behind us. A very nice way to create some kind of team bonding and competition with a group challenge. I hope you enjoy playing this event. There are certain interesting treks on the app. This is a Srinagar to Kargil trek that is happening. If I click on that trek, I can see where I am on that trek. So you can see I am walking here. This is my mark. I have completed 75% of the trek. I have to cover these many kilometers and these many are remaining. I can also abandon the trek and start a new trek also. So this is a good feature that you can use to do some challenges on your own, and some interesting treks can be created here. This is the leaderboard. On the leaderboard, you can see where you stand in terms of your peers, your colleagues. If you have any issues with the app, you're facing some challenges, you can always go on a very friendly chat section. You can just, by the click of a button, send a chat to Getactive and they will come back to you from the support. So this is easier to interact with them. You don't have to call anybody or mail anybody.